Hello guys, Shivam this side, and today we are going to talk about how to build an email list and how to set up the follow-up sequence in your email marketing campaigns. So let's get started. Today we are going to cover all the things regarding email marketing. So let me take you to the screen. So the tool I recommend you all to go with email marketing is GetResponse, and the second one is ActiveCampaign. But for now, I'm using GetResponse, and GetResponse is like a good one. It's like it has basic features and everything, but it's like user friendly. So I would suggest you to go with GetResponse for now. So let me log in here. So here's my email, and I will log in here. So basically, when you build your email list, okay, so first thing you have to do is you have to give something to people. Okay, so that is called lead magnet. So see, if you are getting your the people email or the customers email, the thing that this email is called is lead. So to build these leads and get more leads, you will have to give something. Okay, so there's always a give and take relation in this internet marketing. So you'll have to give a lead magnet. So basically, before going into email marketing, first we'll design how, like we will see how to build an lead magnet. Okay, so this is my FlexiFunnels dashboard. If you guys know, FlexiFunnels is India's first funnel builder, and now I'm recording this video on 25th November, and it is in still a beta, and once it gets launched, I will let you know, guys. So here you can see I have like one lead magnet, traffic secrets lead magnet. Okay, so I'll show you my lead magnet, and then I'll show you how to build a landing page and everything. Okay, so this is traffic generation, and here we go to build a lead magnet. So see, in lead magnet, what you can give is you'll have to give an ebook. You'll have to give something like email swipes or any free product that you are in. Like okay, so if let's suppose you are into food niche, you can give a lead magnet as a food recipe and an ebook consisting of 15 to 20 pages maximum with like 10 to 15 recipes in it. Okay, so that can be a lead magnet. Okay, so I'm into traffic generation, and I love bringing traffic to landing pages and funnels, and I'm actually a kind of Facebook guy. So um, this is what I have built: traffic generation personality type. And to be very honest, I haven't written this ebook, nor you, nor I'll suggest you to like create your own ebook. If you want to build your own ebook, that's great. But the thing from where I bought this book is plr.com. Okay, so you can get like free ebooks here. Okay, so I guess free plr. So free PLR downloads. This is the website. You can check it out, and you can like literally type anything. Let's suppose you are into a food niche, so you basically type food here and search. So you get a lot of ebooks here, and you can basically take this ebook and just build a landing page with it. So that is what I have done, and this is a call to action that sign up for this ebook, give me your name and email address, and I'll send this ebook to you through mail. Okay, so see, I have done a little bit of copywriting in it, and I have also given a free bonuses worth $1,000. And like this is a very simple landing page, like no fancy work or nothing, like just a simple background and a good looking landing page. Okay, so I have built this in FlexiFunnels, and you won't be getting access of FlexiFunnels for now, as it is in a beta. And once it goes like live, I'll notify you. The thing you can do is in GetResponse, you get an option to create your own landing pages. but there are some few limitations to it, like you can't build a very good looking landing page with get response as per like like I think it. Okay, so I will always suggest you that build your landing pages in funnel builder or like flexi funnel, or you can use click funnels, kajabi, lead pages. Okay, so this is how landing pages are built in get response. And like you don't have to do html, java, or like something like that. You'll have to just drag and drop everything. As you can see, I can literally drag this here, or like I don't need any like html person to do this, or a coder basically. So this is how your landing page is like created. Like okay, this is a good one. So what you have to do is just change your headline, like just I have done, who else wants their website flooded with truckload of traffic, right? So I'll just paste it over here, and this is it, like align it a little bit. This is how you build a landing page in get response. Okay, so even this will work if you are a completely beginner, you don't have your own website, and yeah, you don't have click funnels or flexi funnels. Okay, so you can go with get response. So for now I'll like quit this. um okay. Okay, so I exited that landing page. Okay, so once this landing page is done, you will have to integrate your uh, get response account here. Okay, so what I have done in advanced setting, you can see like I have connected get response here. So you can see active over there. So this is what I have done. I have connected get response there. So anyone who puts their name and email address in this, like they get an email regarding this ebook, that thank you for free download and everything like that. So as you can see, this is my list. Okay, so yes, my list is not that great, but still I'm working on it, and I have set up an autoresponder for it. So once if anyone like opt in here, they get an autoresponder email that says that thank you for downloading traffic generation. Here is the subject line, thank you, your name will come here for downloading traffic generation. And this is the message I have written here, that thank you for download, and little bit nurturing the email. Okay, nurturing the audience, and I also have like upsell traffic secrets by Russell Brunson here. So I'm paying Facebook ads to like bring the traffic in, right? So what I'll do is I'll get that, like the amount I am paying to Facebook ads, I'll get it covered by affiliate marketing of Traffic Secrets by Russell Brunson. Or if you're not doing affiliate marketing, you can just simply like suggest your own products, and there you can build, like you can have generate few amount there. But whenever you build your list, like you should have something of some offer in the backend, or you have to make an upsell, because if you are like spending thousands and thousands of dollars on just building your list, that doesn't make any sense. For only emails you are paying thousands, like that's not the case here. Okay, so I've just upsell the traffic secrets by Russell Brunson here. So if anyone like just opt in here, okay, I'll show you. Okay, so here is the landing page. And one thing I forgot to tell you, that this is mobile responsive, so you can see how mobile responsive it is. So you'll have to just create it, and once I go here, I'll put my name and my email ID, and I'll just click on send my ebook. Okay, so this will basically redirected to the thank you page I have built in flexi funnels. Like I'll show you just a second. So it's taking a little bit time, I don't know why, but it'll get redirected to this page. Okay, thank you page. Okay, so here they will come like congratulations on claiming your ebook, and then I just upsell them like traffic generation. And this book is completely free. You just have to pay the shipping charges of this book. And like this book is crazy, man. You just have to go there and read this book. Okay, so like once I'll try it here. Okay, so it's like taking few like time here. So what you can do is I'll give this link in the description of this video. You can just check out and like opt in your name and email address and see you will receive a email here. Okay, and this is very simple to create an autoresponder system here. I'll show you how to like create an autoresponder. You just have to click on create autoresponder, name it anything. Let's say test YouTube, and this should say 0 day and same time as sign up. Okay, or then if you want a delay in like sign up and sending mail, you can like have a delay and exactly add. So you can do that, but I would always suggest that same time as sign up. Then you just have to click here what email you have to use to send it, and then I'll just say that thank you for watching my video. Okay, so you're watching my video right now, so I'll just type in here. And when you click on design the content, you have a lot of more options. Like you don't have only texts here. You can build a lot of great email swipes, but I would always suggest that go for blank templates and add in text here, because like I don't believe in fancy and designer stuffs. I believe in like adding value and adding more more value to the table. So I'll just type in here the body of email. Okay, so just like I have did you just have to type in the body of your email that how this traffic generation is going to help you guys. And right, okay, so here it is, and then you just saw, and then you have to click on next. And when you click on next, you just have to save and publish here. And okay, so the email autoresponder is done. This is it. Okay, you just have to select a linked list here just for once, like which list you have to build, and your autoresponder is done. This is it. Okay, so this is how you create an email autoresponder, and this is how you can build your email list. And just like I suggested, don't give like some like any kind of PLR products, even if it's free. Okay, if you can build your own ebook, okay, and just give your own ebook for free to them, and just click like search any product on like ClickBank here, and you can like get your Facebook ads budget covered by the product affiliate products. But like if you can um, like maintain like a healthy relationship with your customers and the list you have, because if you have a good relationship with your users, they will always like buy anything that you will suggest to them. Okay, so just build a landing page. Okay, if you want like update of flexi funnels, you can just like have this ebook, and I'll get your email from here. And whenever this FlexiFunnels is launched, I'll send mail okay to the same email ID that FlexiFunnel is live now, and you would get that. Okay, so that is it. Check out this link, or takeavisa.com/traffic generation, traffic hyphen generation. And yeah, this book is really good. It's not like I got it free, so I just like paste it over here. I have personally gone through this ebook. I have read every single point, every single word of this ebook, and it's literally amazing. Okay, so this is it. This is how you build an email sequence, and you can just like create more sequences. Just like I said, if you want to send an email auto email within 1 day of his sign up. So this is test one. Okay, you can say day one, like do here one same time as sign up, or you can like send exactly at 12 p.m. or anything like that. And time travel means he'll get that email according to his time zone. Okay, so if you are promoting it in other countries, you can do that. And then subject line and again the same system. Okay, so you can have tier test one day one. Okay, and just build an so I'll here add the text and test one. Okay, so I'll here save and publish it, and this is how your autoresponder is like created. This will go immediately and this will go after 1 day. Okay, so this is how like I don't need it now, so I'll just turn it off, and maybe I'll delete it right now. Okay, I'll delete it later, but this is how you can create your autoresponder using get response. So if you want like a free credit, okay, so I know you guys like be like thinking of like from where I can bring money to build my list. Okay, so what I have done is get response is like literally $12 a month, and you get 30 days free trial. Even I'm on 30 days free trial of get response right now, but I have an another account which like I pay $12 per month over there. So if you want like a free free get response account, you don't have to pay $12 a month. This is my like in the description I have like pasted my link, referral link. You'll get $30 credited to your get response account. So like you'll have to pay $12, but you will get $30. So you are already making $15 profit over there. Okay, so click the link in bio to get response, and also click the link in bio to get this ebook and sign up in my email list, so that I can send more value to you every day with emails. Okay, so this is it guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you love this video, please share it with your guys, and spread this knowledge to everyone. And thank you so much for watching it here till here.